Morning, y'all, from the farm. We're gonna go look at some goats. It is sprinkling out here, so I won't be out here long. But look at these dogs. You will not jump on me. Don't jump on me. Don't jump on me. Sit and I'll pet you. You want to pet me? Sit down. Good job. Don't jump on me. Come on now. Look at them goats. Look at this mess out there. You see all that water? Get down, Belle. Get down. The neighbors blocked their drainage. So the commissioner had to come out and tell them to clean it out, and they haven't done it yet. That's a shame. Hi, goats. Hi. Get down, Belle. You're getting me all full of sand. Belle, yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. Yes, I love you. Yes, now get down. Hi, goats. Hey, guys. Hey, look at Bull. Look at them up there eating. Hey, guys. Oh. Get down, Belle. Belle, get down. You got me all dirty now. How did that one get outside the fence? Oh my gosh. That one that got outside the fence. Get back. Bailey, you leave that baby alone. Okay, little baby. Hold on. I'm going to get you back there. Okay. Y'all, it is so muddy. Okay. It's running from me because it doesn't know me. It's outside the fence. How did that happen? How did you get out? How did you get out? Come on. How do you call a goat? Belle, you do not do that. Come here. Y'all, I'm going to be chasing this little baby. Belle. Okay. Come here. Look at that mud everywhere, y'all. Belle. Look at that fine goat right there. Hey, Zeke. Hey, what's up, Zeke? Get down. I know. I got you. Hey, Butters. It's cuddling. It's scared. Them dogs, they will fight. If the babies get out, the dogs will just tear them up. I'll probably just save this baby's life. Get down, Belle. Belle. It's okay. I got you. Your little horns are coming up. Look at your little horns are coming up. Yeah. Say hi. Look at you. I'm not going to let them dogs hurt you. Okay? I won't let them hurt you. Okay? Yeah. How did you get out? You cuddling? You cuddling? I got you. Look, it's just cuddling. I'm just holding it. It's just cuddling. It's okay. Look at them eyes. Look at your eyes. You have such beautiful eyes. Belle, I'm fixing to spank you. Belle keeps trying to eat it. Poor baby. Oh, poor baby. I got you. It's okay. I got you. It's okay. So you're safe. You're safe. Yeah. You're safe. It's okay. Shh, 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 shh. Bull, you the man? Bull. He's like, fresh meat. Hey, Bull. Hey, Bull. God, you're gorgeous.
Need to bring some cookies up here.
Gorgeous. Hey, you. Which one's this one?
It's Thelma.
Thelma. Hey, Thelma. Are you the one arguing with me? It was either Thelma or Louise that was yelling at me earlier. Like, look at them fighting. Oh, they're fighting.
That white one there is Lucky.
Lucky?
Lucky.
Yeah.
It's his mama right there. He's lucky because mama wasn't going to feed him.
Oh, that's the one you had to put her milk all over him, huh? To get her to feed him. Look at that. Oh, my God. What up, Zeke? I love Zeke. Look at them babies.
Those are Thelma's babies. Baby.
Thelma. Oh.
Bo?
Don't eat me.
Honey?
Bo's trying to make puppies?
Apparently. They're not old enough.
Y'all are not old enough for that. Stop.
I mean, Bo still squats to pee.
Oh. Yeah, he's not old enough. Oh, that baby.
Yeah, I guess Bill's old enough to go into heat.
Oh, that baby. Oh, yeah? Oh, you can't talk when I have the camera on you, but I take the camera off of you, then you start sounding like a cow. Y'all be sweet. Bo, be sweet. You're not old enough to make puppies yet. And Belle's not old enough to make puppies yet.
Actually, once she goes into heat, all bets are off.
Yeah. I want to get her on film shaking her butt because she don't have a tail. I think that's the funniest thing ever.
We might have a home for Bandit.
I wish we could take Bandit, but I need somebody to fix my fence first. Bandit, you want a new home? He's like, no, I'm happy here. Uh-oh, you hear the birds? They're coming. Don't look. Put your blindfold on. Close your eyes, Mama. I don't want you laying down in the... It's freaky, huh, after watching Bird Box.
I wonder where that other little girl is. I hadn't seen her.
She might be hiding. Oh, them birds. We watched Bird Box last night, and now these birds are going crazy. Ah, close your eyes. You are so beautiful. Perfect shot of bull. Beautiful.